Imagine, it is the dawn of 26 January 1950. The sun rises slowly over the Parliament House in New Delhi. Inside the Grand Hall, the members of the Constituent Assembly sit in silent anticipation. A document, handwritten and illuminated with intricate art, lies on the table. This document begins with the words that would forever shape India's destiny. We, the people of India. Today, let's uncover the story of significance of these words, the preamble of the Indian Constitution. The preamble is often called the soul of the Constitution. It tells us why the Constitution was written and what dreams it holds. But before we understand its words, let's travel back in time to a nation fighting for freedom, dignity, and a new identity. When the Constitution was drafted between 1946 and 1949, leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Nehru, and Sardar Patel debated every line, every comma. It was Nehru who introduced the Objectives Resolution, which later became the foundation of the preamble. They wanted to declare not just independence from the British, but the principles India would stand for. Let's read the preamble together. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Each of these words holds deep meaning. Let's break them down. Sovereign. India is free to make its own decisions. No external power controls us. Socialist. Resources and opportunity should be shared fairly. Secular. All religions are respected equally. Democratic. The people choose their leaders. Republic. The head of state is elected, not a king. Next, the preamble promises 4 key ideals to every citizen: justice, social, economic, and political fairness, liberty, freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality, equal treatment and opportunities for all, fraternity, a spirit of brotherhood, assuring dignity and national unity. Did you know the preamble was amended only once? In 1976, during the emergency, the 42nd Amendment added the words socialist, secular, and integrity to reflect India's evolving vision. Since then, these words have guided policies and court decisions. But is the preamble really a part of Constitution? This question reached the Supreme Court. In the Berubari Union Case 60, the court said the preamble was not part of the Constitution. Yet, in the Keshavananda Bharati case 1973, this was overturned. The judge said the preamble is the part of Constitution and it reveals its basic structure. From that day, the preamble became a vital reference to interpret laws and protect our core values. Can the preamble be amended again? The answer is yes, but within limits. Under Article 368, Parliament can amend the Constitution, including the preamble. However, the Supreme Court has ruled that no amendment can destroy the basic structure, like democracy, secularism, or the rule of law. In the end, the preamble is more than an introduction. It is a mirror reflecting our collective dreams, a compass guiding our policies, and a promise to generations yet unborn. Every time you read it, remember, these are not just words, they are the heartbeat of India. Thank you for exploring the preamble with me today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share with fellow learners, and join us for more journeys into the Constitution of India. Together, let's keep the spirit of we the people alive.